All entertainment has been suspended at the request of the United States government due to a nationwide emergency alert. We have been receiving countless reports of an unidentified hostile entity that we will refer to as alternates. These creatures have the power to pretend to be anyone and can perfectly nail appearances and voices. While they have been reported in every state, some raw footage from the specific states are Hawaii, Tennessee, Texas, Arkansas, and Alaska. If you see someone acting strange, run away and hide. If you notice a pet acting strange, or you see someone that looks identical to you, run away, and find a loaded firearm or any ranged weapon. From these reports, these biological monstrosities can perfectly mimic voices and appearances, but slight flaws in personality. If you see a figure with a biological impossible appearance, run away, and report it to 911.